Hi! In this video, we're going to learn about the world Tracy lives in. Let's get started. Now we know that Tracy can follow our commands if we give them to her in a specific way, but what do we know about the world Tracy lives in? Well, Tracy lives in a grid world, where an X and Y axis determine where we can move her. Tracy always starts at her home, which is at the very center of our canvas at coordinate point 0, 0. The x-axis of Tracy's world goes from -200 to +200, and so does the y-axis. This means that the top left corner has the coordinate -200, 200, the bottom left corner has the coordinate -200, -200, the top right corner has the coordinate 200, 200, and the bottom right corner has the coordinate 200, -200. So how wide is the total canvas? If our x-axis goes from -200 to +200, that means the width is 400 pixels long. And this is the same for the height of our canvas. It is important to know that Tracy lives in a 400 by 400 grid world. We've learned how to use two commands already, the forward and circle commands, but Tracy knows how to do more than that. In the same way that we can move Tracy using the forward command, if you tell her backward, she will move in reverse the distance that you have entered in the parentheses. We also have some commands to control the trail that Tracy leaves as she moves. If we call the pen up command before telling Tracy to move, she will not leave a trail behind her. If we then want her to start leaving a trail after we've used the pen up command, we can use pen down to have her start drawing a trail. An important thing to note is that Tracy's default is to draw a line when she moves, so you do not need to use the pen down command when you first move her if you want her to leave a trail. Let's go ahead and use these commands to write some Tracy programs. In this program, we want to write a code that will tell Tracy to draw 2 dashes across the x-axis of our canvas. Before we start writing this code, I want to show you a really helpful tab we have available in our code editor, the Example or Exercise tab. The directions for the challenge and the result you are trying to get to will be shown here. You can leave this tab open while you write your code, so you can refer back while you decide about how to go about solving it. When you're ready to test your code, simply hit the Run Code tab and you're ready to check if you found a solution. Okay, let's write some code. We want Tracy to start at the left side and not leave a trail, so I need to start my code by writing pen up and backward 200. How do I know that she needs to move 200 pixels to get to the left side of the canvas? We know Tracy starts at point 0, 0, and that the x-axis goes from -200 to +200. Let's check if we're right. Perfect. The next thing I want Tracy to do is draw a line that is 100 pixels long. To make Tracy leave a trail as she moves, I need to put the pen down. So I can write pen down and forward 100. Now she's drawn the first dash, I need her to move forward again but not leave a trail this time. So I'm going to add pen up and forward 100. Let's try this. That's great. I need Tracy to repeat this to the end of the canvas. She has moved 200 pixels so far and the canvas is 400 pixels wide. So I need to repeat this one more time. I can copy and paste these commands. To tell her to do them again. Let's see if this worked. Perfect. In this lesson, we learned about the grid world Tracy lives in and how to use the backward, pen up, and pen down commands. Now it's your turn to use these Tracy commands to solve some coding challenges.